12 Quiet Remote Jobs Discovering Peaceful Professional Paths. In today's hyper-connected world, the dream of finding a truly peaceful remote job might seem like an elusive fantasy. Imagine a work environment free from constant interruptions, office politics, and draining social interactions. Just you, your skills, and a steady income stream. This guide explores unique, quiet remote jobs that offer both professional satisfaction and the tranquility you crave. Digital cartographer mapping the world in silence. Annual earnings, $50,000 to $80,000. Digital cartography is a dream job for those who love precision, data, and geographical exploration. Unlike traditional map-making, this role leverages cutting-edge technology to create interactive, highly detailed maps for GPS systems, navigation apps, and geographic databases. What makes it peaceful? Extensive independent work, minimal human interaction, deep focus on data analysis and visualization, and the opportunity to work with satellite imagery and complex geographic information systems. Getting started. Master GIS software like ArcGIS and QGIS. Enroll in online cartography and GIS courses. Build a portfolio showcasing map creation skills. Network with companies like ESRI, TomTom, and Google Maps. ASMR Audio. Creator crafting calm for a living. Annual earnings, $30,000 to $75,000. The world of autonomous sensory meridian response, or ASMR, has transformed from a niche internet phenomenon to a legitimate career path. ASMR creators produce soothing audio and video content designed to help listeners relax, de-stress, and even fall asleep. What makes it peaceful? Work entirely from a home studio, complete creative control, minimal direct interaction with the audience, and the potential for a significant online following. Getting started. Invest in professional audio equipment. Experiment with various ASMR triggers. Create a YouTube channel. Diversify income through Patreon and custom audio commissions. Learn audio editing and production techniques. Hey there, career explorers! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this information, subscribe to our career insights, and share with friends seeking peaceful remote work. Your support helps us create more in-depth career guides and unlock hidden job opportunities. Every share, like, and subscription means we can continue delivering valuable content to help you transform your professional life. Hit that metaphorical subscribe button, and let's build your dream quiet career together. An AI model trainer shaping future technologies in solitude. Annual earnings range from $60,000 to $90,000. AI model training represents the perfect blend of technology and solitary work. These professionals help machine learning systems evolve by meticulously feeding, labeling, and refining datasets. What makes it peaceful? Predominantly independent work, methodical, focused tasks, contributing to technological advancement, and minimal meetings or collaborative requirements. Getting started? Complete free AI and machine learning courses, learn data labeling techniques, familiarize yourself with platforms like Scale AI and Appen, and build a portfolio demonstrating attention to detail. Online puzzle maker designing mental challenges. Annual earnings range from $40,000 to $60,000. Puzzle creation is an art form that combines creativity, logic, and solitude. From crosswords to Sudoku, puzzle makers craft mental challenges for various media platforms and publications. What makes it peaceful? Complete creative autonomy, work from anywhere, flexible scheduling, and minimal client interactions. Getting started? Learn puzzle design software, practice creating diverse puzzle types, submit puzzles to magazines and newspapers, and develop an online presence through platforms like Etsy. AI-powered stock photographer passive income through images. Annual earnings range from $35,000 to $75,000. Modern stock photography has been revolutionized by AI, allowing creators to generate stunning images without traditional photography equipment or extensive travel. What makes it peaceful? Well, there's no need for elaborate photo shoots. You can generate passive income, work entirely from home, and there's minimal client communication. To get started, you should master AI image generation tools, understand stock photo market trends, register on multiple stock photo platforms, and continuously refine your image creation skills. Sleep consultant guiding rest in the digital age. Annual earnings range from $40,000 to $90,000. As sleep disorders become increasingly common, sleep consultants offer invaluable expertise in improving sleep quality through personalized strategies and guidance. What makes it peaceful? Primarily asynchronous communication, research-driven work, the ability to create digital resources, and helping people without constant direct interaction. To get started, obtain a professional sleep consulting certification, develop comprehensive digital sleep guides, create an online consultation platform, and market your services through targeted digital channels. Niche website flipper, digital real estate optimization. Annual earnings range from $50,000 to $200,000. Website flipping is a sophisticated form of online entrepreneurship involving purchasing, improving and reselling websites for profit. What makes it peaceful? It's completely self-directed work, with no mandatory meetings, flexible scheduling, and the potential for significant passive income. To get started, learn SEO and web design fundamentals, understand digital marketing strategies, use platforms like Flippa to find potential websites, and build a systematic approach to website improvement. Digital calligraphy artist, elegant design in solitude, annual earnings, $30,000 to $80,000. Digital calligraphy has transformed traditional art into a lucrative, technology-driven profession, offering beautiful lettering for various digital and print applications. What makes it peaceful? Highly creative work, minimal client interactions, flexible working hours, and the ability to work from any location. Getting started. Invest in an iPad and Procreate, develop a distinctive style, build a portfolio on Etsy and social media, and offer comprehensive branding packages. Data annotation. Specialist powering AI development, annual earnings $35,000 to $60,000. Data annotation is crucial for training AI systems, offering a quiet, methodical approach to technological advancement. What makes it peaceful? Repetitive, focused work, no complex social interactions, the ability to work from anywhere, and contributing to cutting-edge technology. Getting started? Apply to major data annotation platforms, complete basic AI training, and develop exceptional attention to detail. Automated chatbot designer creating conversational AI. Annual earnings, $50,000 to $100,000. Chatbot design allows professionals to create intelligent conversational systems without extensive coding knowledge. What makes it peaceful? Minimal ongoing maintenance, potential for passive income, the ability to work independently, and creative problem solving. Getting started? Learn no-code chatbot platforms, understand conversational design principles, and target small business markets. Medical transcription specialist, healthcare documentation, annual earnings, $35,000 to $60,000. Medical transcriptionists convert audio recordings from healthcare professionals into written reports, offering a quiet, precise remote career. What makes it peaceful? Work in complete silence, flexible scheduling, minimal interpersonal interaction, and contribute to healthcare documentation. Getting started. Obtain medical transcription certification, learn medical terminology, invest in quality transcription software, and register on medical transcription job platforms. Virtual research analyst information gathering in solitude. Annual earnings $45,000 to $85,000. Virtual research analysts conduct in-depth investigations and compile comprehensive reports across various industries, offering a deeply focused and quiet professional path. What makes it peaceful? Independent research, minimal meetings, work from any location, and intellectual stimulation. Getting started. Develop strong research methodologies, learn advanced online research techniques, build expertise in specific research domains, and create a professional portfolio showcasing research skills. These 12 quiet remote jobs demonstrate that peaceful, fulfilling work is not just a possibility, it's a growing reality. By leveraging technology, developing specialized skills, and embracing solitary work styles, you can build a successful career without sacrificing your need for tranquility. Remember, the key to success in these roles is continuous learning, adaptability, and a commitment to delivering high-quality work. Your peaceful professional journey starts now. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.